Today, I'm gonna show you guys how to clean your luxury watch. So in my hand, for the first time, is the Big Moe Cleaning Kit. And the reason I created this cleaning kit is because I have literally purchased every single cleaning kit on the market and I couldn't find anything that matched my standards. So everything I'm gonna explain to you guys in this kit is the reason why I created the kit. So I made this cleaning kit super compact that you could carry around. So that's the first thing I noticed from buying all the other cleaning kits. I couldn't just take it with me. Like, I want it to be compact, secure, so everything's inside. Take it with me, and whenever I want to clean the watch, boom, I just pull it out. So it's very simple. Unzip. Again, we made it expandable, and as you can see, look at this beauty. So first we have the wave brush. So the wave brush is very simple. The reason I created the wave brush, as you can see the wave, it's super soft. And that was the one thing I noticed when I was buying all the other products. I cannot explain to you how soft it is, and look how many bristles are on this. So it needs to be soft because you're obviously cleaning your luxury watch. Also, I made sure that this is made out of bamboo, so it's light. So like as you're cleaning, you don't feel something very heavy, and it's very comfortable to hold. So I made sure it was bamboo, extra bristles, and with this beautiful wave, as you can see. So this one, it comes to the brush. Next, for the foam, I decided to use foam. Why the foam? Because a lot of times they use chemicals. You would spray it all over the place. You have to wear gloves. This foam is actually skin friendly, and you don't even need water to rinse it. So it's cleaning, it's safe on your hands and your skin. So obviously it's very skin friendly, so nothing's gonna happen chemically to your hands. But of course, wash your hands, guys, after, like, you know, you're cleaning a watch. Just, I hope you wash your hands before you eat and everything. So here's the foam. As you can see here, it's wrapped perfectly. So this foam is, I decided, again, I used foam, and we're gonna do an example of the cleaning right now. Other chemicals, like I said, sprays, it smells bad. The smell also was very important for me. Like, I've tried so many different products. Like I said, this took me 10 months to make. Like, I was getting samples, I didn't like the smell, it smelled too chemically. Here, the smell is amazing. Like, when you spray it, you're like, wow, it's not bad at all. Like, it has like a nice fresh scent. So that's for the foam. And again, 70 milliliters, and guys, it's foam. So like the liquid here, it lasts you, I think you could clean around 50 times your watch. Here we have a gift, little microfiber. This is for daily use. If you just want to wipe it down, you have fingerprints or it's oily, you just use this. Complimentary gift. I always like to give gifts. Then here we have the cloth. So the cloth is, as you guys could see, it's right here also. So you have like the BM cloth. I made it big enough for you guys to pretty much dry down your watch, and I also made it white so you could see the results when you're cleaning your watch, because a lot of times when you're cleaning it, you don't really see the difference, especially when you're cleaning it with water. So one thing I realized when you're doing it with water is that, okay, you got the foam, you're cleaning the watch, and then after, when you come to, you know, using the cloth to dry down, well, you don't see any of the dirt you've actually cleaned. So for me, showing the results also makes you feel better, and also I think will make it that you do this as a more of a daily or even weekly habit. So that's the kit as it is. We're going to do a live example. Beautiful compact kit. Look at that, super simple. Let's clean my AP. Step number one, like I said, we just put the foam. You could do one pump. We're going to do multiple pumps today. So again, I'm not using any gloves. It's okay if the foam is touching my hand. And then I'm just taking the wave brush again, just putting the foam everywhere. And the thing is, with this foam, instantly it's already removing the dirt. You're just putting the foam all over the watch, in between the cracks, for it to do its magic, if you want to call it. So there we have it. And then simply, as mentioned, no water needed. I'm just gonna clean the foam. So you're gonna see two results, one of the watch and one how shiny the watch is gonna be. But look at the residue, all that dirty residue that just came from the watch. Look how dirty this watch was. So this for me was very important, so you guys could actually see it. So there's that wow factor. It's like, wow, my watch was this dirty? Yeah, your watch was this dirty. But it looked clean. Yeah, well, look at all that. Now, look at the shine. I don't even have to try it. Like, it just, look at the shine. And look how quick that was. Like, it makes you fall in love with your watch all over again. Honestly, 10 months of work, super worth it. I'm really excited for you guys to check it out. Now I could put this back again. See, no water needed. I'm done. 100 kits for the pre-launch. Guys, go pick it up, check it out. You guys are gonna love it. And yeah, thank you guys. See you next time.